25 years and my life is still trying to get up that great big hill of hope for a destination.
Se parece un montón a Don't Worry Be Happy.
So I cry sometimes when I'm lying in bed, but I get it all on what's in my head, and I'm feeling a little peculiar. And so I wake up in the morning by side, but I kept a deep breath and I kept real high, and I screamed the tops of my lungs, what's going on? And I said, hey, yeah, 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 hey, yeah, yeah. I said, hey, what's going on? And I tried. Oh my God, do I try? I try another time in this institution, and I prayed. Oh my God, then I prayed. I prayed every single day for revolution, and I said, what's going on? 25 years and my life is still trying to get up that great big hill of hope for a destination.